Hello, thank you for joining me today as we're going to study about Excel index and match function. Previously, we had a discussion on Excel VLOOKUP function, and we find that Excel VLOOKUP function has certain limitations, or there are some aspects where Excel VLOOKUP can't work when you're doing your data analysis. One of the weaknesses that we found about Excel VLOOKUP function is that Excel VLOOKUP function only looks to the left. It picks only looks to the right. So we say that for any value, so Excel lookup value, the first value must be in the first column. The lookup value must be in the first column of the table. Then it will also look in the to the left, to the right of the table. For example, when I write here a lookup function, so the first lookup value must be in this first column. For example, Anna. And then in this table array, I want to return the score. So the score of this person is, let me say, like 93. Sorry, is in column 2. I want to return an exact match. So that's give me 93. So it means that VLOOKUP function can't look to the left of the table. I can't have here 93. And then I want to return the name of the person who scored 93 in such a way that I say VLOOKUP, my lookup value is here, then comma, right here. Then the lookup table is here, comma, and then I want to return the first column, then an exact match. Get that you find an error because VLOOKUP function only looks to the left, to the right of the VLOOKUP table. Now, due to that, there's this formula, the powerful formula called index and match. So index and match replaces Excel VLOOKUP function in such a way that one, index and match doesn't care the direction in which you want to return the lookup value. For example, you can have the score and return the corresponding name. You can have the name and return the corresponding group or the score. So we're going to have an example where I'll have my lookup value as name. So name, I can just copy this, Control C, come here and Control V. Now, I want to return the score, I have to type index. Now the array is the score column. So here is my array. And then for the row now, the row number, I can put here 1 to return for me this, or 2 for this, 3 for this, something of the sort. But I want now to use a match function, match this Miranda with the corresponding number. Then when I close that, I don't want to move any column, so I put 0 for the index, finish the column, then return. When you enter, you find that it returns 85. So this is 85 for the index. It says that Miranda is 85. This can be obtained also by using Excel VLOOKUP function, because VLOOKUP function will take name here and return in the column of the score. Now we want now to inverse this so that we have the marks, the score, then you return the corresponding name. So we have, like, for example, we can return 63, the score for 63. Then now for this, we come and write index. I'm going to index, I want to return the name. So I'm going to index this column, comma, the row number. So for the row number, I want to return so match, I want to match this 63, comma, in this column, like that. Then I want to return an exact match, so that is 0, comma. Then I don't want to move any column, so put there 0, and I close, enter. get analysis, it returns Oscar. There's no error. It means index and match can be used to return can take a value in the right column and return the corresponding from in the left column. The only difference, the major difference between VLOOKUP function and index and match is that index and match is flexible. You can pick a column result here, lookup value, and return the corresponding name on the VLOOKUP function.